Fighting the spread of COVID-19 has forced many Americans to work from home. The monetary implications could mean a spike in the cost of utilities like electric and water, supplies like computer equipment, and yes, even Wi-Fi and internet bills. So what can you write off on your 2020 federal tax return? Here is a stark reality for many of us.
You are not going to get any benefit from unreimbursed business expenses.
That's because under the Trump administration's tax reform plan, Congress passed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act in 2017. It eliminated itemized deductions many employees were used to under Schedule A. So who is still eligible for this key tax benefit? Those who are self-employed or freelancers. Dan Geltrude is an accountant and finance expert.
The key distinction here is you must be operating your own separate business. It is not part of being employed by someone else.
And for independent contractors going the extra mile and seeking the home office deduction, make sure all your I's are dotted and T's crossed. The workspace has to be a designated area of your home. So sitting on your couch with your laptop doesn't count. It also has to be used regularly and primarily for your business. And be sure to keep detailed records and receipts. You can deduct the cost of your mortgage and real estate taxes related to your home office.
You take an allocation for the area of your home that is used strictly for business, and you write off all the expenses related to that part of your home.
An additional side note for parents. Unfortunately, right now, there are no federal tax benefits for expenses related to your children's remote learning. And here are some other tips. Immediately notify your tax preparer of any life changes, such as loss of a job. And a reminder, stimulus checks, not taxable income, but unemployment compensation is. So be sure to have the correct amount of withholdings, or come April 15th, you might find you owe Uncle Sam. No matter what day it says on the calendar, tax prep is a year-long process, particularly in the year 2020.
The Internal Revenue Code picks winners and losers. And the way to try to be on the winner's side is to make sure that you're doing the proper planning ahead of time.
I'm Shirley Chan for Pix 11 News.